Hi, I'm Jordan Hansen. I'm over here from Cobalt Intelligence, and today we're talking about Kansas. We are going to the Kansas Secretary of State today to search for businesses. We're going to show you how to get that data via API with our portal, the Cobalt Intelligence portal, and then Postman, so you can just I can show you how to form your request, your URL, how to do all that, and then we're going to show you how to use our SDK. In case you're using JavaScript, it just makes it all a piece of cake for you. So let's look at the fields available in Kansas. Not industry, not officer information, not organization documents. So a little bit lacking in a lot of the information. They have some of the basics such as status, entity name, and entity type. Not having these key ones kind of sucks. It makes it pretty painful. Not having officer information to prove who owns that business. Anyway, let's go over here to the portal, the Secretary of State. You can search for all these different things. You saw them, but we're gonna just do name. We're gonna search for tax today. Okay, I want an active one in good standing. This one looks yummy. Office software and accounting. So you can see this information. We have basic information, like I said. We have the status, we have the state of organization, entity type. We have the registered agent, which looks to be an individual and not a commercial one, but nothing else. We can't see their officers. What about this? Oh yeah, I see over here. They kind of have this thing that stops you from doing stuff in there. Okay, so we carry on over here. And here we are, and we're in Kansas. So we're gonna search for this. This is our portal. This is the Cobalt Intelligence portal. You can come in here if you're trying to do anything like, test things out. Normally you're not gonna use this on a regular basis, but you can come in here and test the data. We can show you how it works. You just come in here, you search for what you need, just pass in a business name, a state, and then it gets you back all that information that we just saw. Agent name, address, all that kind of information. Now we go to Postman. Postman is an awesome tool that you can use to make web requests. So we're going to send it right here. And this is what the URL is going to look like of the API. apigateway.cobaltintelligence.com. All this information, you're going to pass in a search query parameter, and that will be your business name, and then your state, which will be Kansas, and then the API key. So you're going to have x-api-key with the value right here. And here's all your information. There it is. It looks good, huh? And finally, to the JavaScript SDK. Here we go. All right, there. Now, you can pass in other parameters into this API to get more data. And this one, I'll show you how it works. We import the SOS API, we pass in our API key right here. It handles the rest in this API, SOS API variable. So SOS API.get business details, pass in the name of the business, the state, and you can do other parameters such as you can search by street or city or zip to kind of narrow it down, or you can request a screenshot. A lot of people in due diligence, they need screenshots for this, and this is where it comes in handy. So you can see that link right there. We click it. Look at that screenshot. Doesn't that look nice? That's it for Kansas today.